guys, what is going on? Today I'm out here on Doctor's Lake in a john boat from Whitey's again, except I'm with Randy and Matthew in the front of the boat there. So today we're gonna be fishing for bass. We don't have live shiners with us, just because I forgot to bring stuff, but 4 live shiners, but we got artificial, we got topwater, we got a ton of stuff. It's looking pretty good. I think we're gonna hook up, so let's we're gonna get to fishing. All right, we're gonna be throwing some topwater action here. I've got the bat that I was throwing last time. I did get a hit on it last time I was out, so we're gonna try that. See what's going on there. That might be gators. I mean, no, Mom, it's not gators. No, Mom's gonna be watching this. Definitely not gators. It's gators. All right, so I've got a weightless red shad zoom bait here. I've been advised that these are the thing to use, so I'm told that's a very, very good color. So we're gonna try that out. It's already on boat mode. I actually forgot to charge it from the last 2 times I used this out for kayaking and boating and whatnot, but we're looking at 62 degrees. A little cool. 4 foot of water. Yeah, it's a little cool. I think we're gonna head closer to shore and over there, see if we can't hook up. So we're gonna pull up anchor and pull up the deeper, head over there, see what we're looking at. All right, Randy just got the first bass of the morning.
Little one, about 1.5 pounds.
Rattle trap.
Rattle trap, of course, makes sense.
All right, get the release. There he goes. All right, rattle trap. There you go. Good job, Randy.
All right. And contrary.
And something just jumped over there.
Deep.
So we're in shallow, casting into deep water.
Hit it on the fall.
Hit it on the fall.
Yeah.
All right. Might try jerkbait or something. Good stuff. Let's do it again. Guy catches something on a rattle trap, and the rest of us all tie on rattle traps. I keep seeing stuff over there, so I'm gonna throw this over there, see if I can get something. What? I'm seeing stuff blow up over there. All right.
Ooh, that's a good one.
You going?
Ooh.
You going?
Yes, I do. It's a good one, whatever the fuck it is.
All right, keep it down. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Randy got it. Oh, and I got this one on the video. All right, cool. All right, come on. All right, come on. Matthew. Matt, go to the other side of the boat.
Yeah.
Come on. Where is it?
Oh!
Get him close enough. I couldn't reach him.
Oh my God.
That was a good one.
That was 5.
That was easy 5. Easy 5. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's try that again.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're biting.
On it today.
All right, we're checking out the deeper again. 60 degrees. So that's to be expected. That's from my past times using the deeper out here. Not really marking a whole lot. You got some?
No, I did. Damn it.
All right, well, Randy just had something. Marking a little bit of structure here along the bottom. That might be a fish, possibly. You guys can see that there, but yeah, so we're gonna look at this. Yeah, so we're in about 5 foot of water, 60 degrees, and rattle traps seem to be working, so we're gonna keep throwing those. Hold that. That'd be great underwater footage. In the middle of the lake, because Randy wanted to come out here for some inane reason. Water's warmed up a little bit, actually. It's 64 degrees. We're in 8 foot of water. I am actually marking some fish there. I am marking a lot of fish right below us. Wow. Yeah, at about 7 foot. No, seriously. Cast behind us. Let it sink. I don't have an answer for that. Yeah, I'm marking a bunch of stuff. Wow. That's kind of amazing. All right, well, I'm gonna throw a rattle trap and see. I'm gonna let it sink down and see if I can't hook up.
Nope.
All right, so the best way to get out of birds' nets is when you pull it, you're gonna see some of the line crimp up. This right here. You're gonna see that. You're gonna pull it and undo that so the line can move freely, and then keep pulling it. Figure out where. Okay, the line's still, you know, stopping it. So that's the root of your problem right there. So once you pull that out, you'll be able to pull this out completely. So Randy just hooked up into something.
That is a
and
tooth.
It left a tooth on the actual hook.
Yeah.
That's the craziest thing I've ever seen. I don't know what that is. If anybody knows what that could have been, mention down in the comments below what it might be. All right, so this is what we're looking at now. The water temperature has actually gone to 78 degrees, 77 degrees.
Well, it's touching the boat, dude.
Is it? All right, get it out away from the boat.
Yeah.
That's crazy that it is that. Let's see what the temperature is here. 73.
Okay.
That's more, yeah, that's a 10-degree difference though.
Yeah.
That's important. So probably should come out more so in the late afternoon than in the early morning because it's still too cold in the early morning. Although we didn't have any luck in the afternoon and we had a bunch of luck in the early morning, so who knows, but let's head back. We are now done fishing for the day. I didn't catch anything, Matthew didn't catch anything. Randy caught 2 and then that teeth, or he caught 1, lost 1, and then that tooth that he had. So that was weird. But overall, I think we had a great time out here. It was super, super beautiful weather. Great day for fishing, kind of cold in the morning, warmer as you know, we get into the afternoon time. So all in all, I think we're gonna be doing this again, and hopefully we'll have a little better luck next time. But make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.